everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Thanksgiving video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a sweet potato casserole. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our sweet potato casserole, let's begin by drawing the top of the dish. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a straight line come across our paper. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and I'm just going to bring this down. And then same thing here, just going to curve this around, and then we're going to bring this down for the sides of our dish. Next, I'm just going to kind of round this on the corner, and I'm going to bring this across and connect it. And you can see I made those corners kind of round for the dish. For the bottom of the dish, let's just draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to bring this over and then up here for a little detail. Now, let's make our little sweet potato casserole. So let's begin here, and we're just going to make some bumpy lines that come up to here. And then same thing here, we're just going to make a few bumpy lines. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a wavy line across for the sauce and kind of melted marshmallows. So let's just kind of make a wavy line, and we're going to make these little bumps a different size. Now let's make the marshmallows on top. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve, we're going to come up, and then curve. It's kind of like a square, but all the corners are rounded. We'll do another one here. Just kind of go up, curve, down, and then curve. And then one here, just kind of down, curve, up, and then curve around. Next on top, let's just put a curve on the top of each one so the marshmallows look a little bit three-dimensional. Next, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to go right around our marshmallows, and we're going to bring it down here for that melted marshmallow. Now on here, we're going to add some of the little walnuts. So we're going to make just some oval shapes on here. And we're just going to put a few of them around here. And then I'd just like to add a little line that goes right in between them, like right in the middle. And then maybe I'll do like a half one here. I like odd numbers on things. Next, let's give our little casserole a spoon. So we're just going to start by bringing this line up, and then we're going to bring this line up. Let's connect here. Then we're just going to go down and bring it back. Make it look a little 3D. Next, let's give it a little face. Starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I want to leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye right here. Let's color in a black dot in the middle of each one, or more towards the edge for the pupils. Then let's give it a nice big smile. And we're going to make a little tongue sticking out with a line. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute, fun, cartoon sweet potato casserole. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.